One thing with the exact numbers that's related to radical stuff, if the question is, what is the cosine of 485? Well, the cosine of 45 is 1 over root 2. And we could get rid, and what we often do is we multiply this by root 2 over root 2. And 1 times root 2 is going to be root 2, and then root 2 times root 2 is 2. So another format you may see it in, so cos 45 is generally, it's written in two different ways. And sine 45 would be the same thing. It's either written as 1 over root 2, or it's written as root 2 over 2. But these are equivalent expressions. Okay. We could also do exact reciprocal ratios. So for example, if I could say, what is the secant of 60? And the secant of 60, well, secant is two ways of doing this. One, you could kind of do it in your head. So the cosine of 60 is 1 over 2. But the secant is the reciprocal of that, so the secant of 60 is just going to be 2. Or, another way of doing this would be that the secant of 60 equals 1 over the cosine of 60, which is, and the cosine of 60 is 1 over 2, which is 1 divided by 1 over 2, which is 1 times 2 over 1, which is 2. Either way works. Okay. Let's try to solve something like this now. So you might get a question like this where you need to find the exact answer. So you need to find the exact answer. So we start figuring out. So cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. And sine 60 is root 3 over 2. And you could go to the special triangles and verify any of these. And so what do we get? 1 over root 2 times 1 over root 2 is 1 over 2. And then this becomes root 3 over 4. And if we put it together, we're going to get 2 over 4 plus root 3 over 4, which is 2 plus root 3 over 4. And that's the exact solution to cos 45 sine 45 plus sine 30 sine 60. Of course, you could also do this with reciprocal ratios. So the secant of 30 is going to be, I should write this down. So secant of 30 is going to be 2 over root 3. Cotangent of 60 is going to be 1 over root 3. Cosecant of 45 is going to be root 2 over 1. And cos 45 is going to be 1 over root 2. So that's going to give us 2 over 3 plus root 2 over root 2, which is just 1, which is, well, actually, this is going to be kind of pretty. Plus 3 over 3, which is 5/3. So secant 30 times cotangent 30 plus cosecant 45 plus cos 45 is equal to 5 over 3.